everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious recipe for seafood lovers. I'll be making today okra sardines recipe. I have a cut okra. This is frozen and this is a 12 ounce, 340 gram. Then I will be using sardines. This is wild caught. These are 100% in olive oil and this is 4.37 ounce, which is 124 gram. To reduce the slamminess, I'll be using 1 teaspoon anardana powder. This is pomegranate powder. I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. If you don't have it, you can use mango powder, which is amchur, or you can use the fresh lemon. You can squeeze it 1 teaspoon. Cumin seed 1 teaspoon, salt, black pepper, coriander powder half teaspoon each, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1 green chili, 1 tomato and 1 onion. I'm going to cut the onion, tomatoes and green chili. And lastly, for our tadka, we're going to use olive oil. Onion, tomato, green chili all cut, and let's start making our delicious okra sardines. Start burner. Get a fry pan. 2 teaspoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds. This is good enough. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Add green chili. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add all the spices. Salt, black pepper, coriander powder, turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices for a half minute. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once tadka is nicely combined with the tomatoes, spread it evenly, bring your gas to medium, cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. With the cover lid cooking for 3 minutes, I'll open it, mix it well. If you see the tomatoes are nicely tender, this is good. Add okra. This is a frozen okra. At the same time, I'll bring anardana powder. As I mentioned, you can always substitute anardana powder with mango powder, which is amchur, or with lemon juice. So we're going to mix it well. Now bring your gas on high and keep mixing and keep cooking. On high gas, we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Please don't cover the okra, then they get more mushy. This way when you're cooking it, they get more crispy and crunchier. Exactly 5 minutes cooking on high gas. Please keep in mind one thing, that when you are stirring, stir with the soft hand. For the last 5 minutes I stirred it twice, and now this is the third time we are stirring it. So slowly stir it. And now we'll bring the gas to medium. Just slowly move it like this. If these okras are fresh, then it's okay. You can go like this. You can mix it fast, in other words. Since these are frozen, you want to move around very slowly. So now, I'll make a room here and we'll add sardine. We'll open the can. These sardines are 100% in olive oil. It's very delicious sardines. So make sure that you scoop out. Now, I'm going to break it. The sardines are fully cooked. These sardines are skinless and boneless. break it like a 5 to 6 pieces. So when you're going to eat okra, you're going to taste the sardines. Now I'm going to mix it. So mix it well, slowly, just like this. As you see, it's already looking super delicious. If you're a seafood lover like me, and this is I'm going to share with you, I'm going to add one more can of sardines. You try with the one can, but like I said, if you're a seafood lover, definitely you want more. So I'm going to add one more. And same thing, we're going to bake it. Don't mash it. As I mentioned, these are fully cooked. Just break it like this. This is good. And now we're going to mix it again. The okra is already cooked on medium gas. Cook additional couple minutes and our dish is all ready. Another 2 minutes of cooking on medium gas. Okra sardines is nicely cooked. Super delicious. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and look at this. This is super delicious. Please try. Let me share with you. Quick and easy and very tasty, delicious okra sardine recipe is ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.